Assalamu alaikum. Very interesting situation is developing in Pakistan politics. As you are aware that previously, all the situations before you and you have heard and read and seen on various media channels, there are three major political parties which are part of PDM, in addition to other small parties or local parties or regional parties or provincial parties, you can say. Number one is PMLN, Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz Group, and second is Pakistan People's Party, and third, Jamiat Ulama Islam, Fazl Rahman Group. And as you are aware that Maulana Fazl Rahman, chief of JUIF, he is the chief of PDM. So they conducted various public meetings in various cities of Pakistan, and they had planned to tender resignations by their members who were members of different assemblies like different provincial assemblies and national assembly, and leading to a long march which had to be started from all parts of Pakistan to reach at the capital of Pakistan, Islamabad. So, and thereafter there was possibility of a sit-in which may lead to many days depending upon the decision at that time by the leadership of PDM and the response of Pakistani people. But before that, you see, the elections of Senate, they changed the situation totally. First of all, you see that when elections of senators were held and conducted, there was big upset that the candidate of PTI government, Mr. Abdul Hafiz Sheikh, he lost his seat, whereas Yusuf Gilani, a joint candidate of PDM, he got elected as a senator. So till that stage, you see, PDM was intact. All the parties were on one page and they got success, and they created a big problem and rather crisis, political crisis in Pakistan. And because of that election, when sitting finance minister, he lost the election, the Prime Minister of Pakistan had to get vote of confidence from the parliament, which he successfully got ultimately. And then thereafter the news, you see, situation starts when there was elections of chairman Senate and deputy chairman Senate. In the elections of chairman Senate, Mr. Yusuf Gilani was a joint candidate on behalf of PDM, whereas on behalf of PTI government, sitting chairman Senate Sadiq Sanjrani, he was the candidate. And for deputy chairman slot, Maulana Abdul Ghafoor Haidari of JUF, he was joint candidate from PDM for this office of deputy chairman Senate. So on the day of elections of chairman Senate and deputy chairman Senate, what happened? That 7 members of PDM, apparently, it appears like those are from PDM, and most of people they are saying that they were from PMLN, which is not confirmed yet. They stamped their ballot paper at wrong place, and the vote was rejected. So because of rejection of those 7 votes, because of this wrong stamp, the candidate of PTI government, Mr. Sadiq Sanjrani, he was elected as chairman of Senate. So from that day, a rift starts. And similarly, you see, in the elections of deputy chairman, the government candidate again got that seat and got that election. And Mr. Maulana Abdul Ghafoor Haidari, he was joint candidate of PDM for the office of deputy chairman, Senate. He lost with a difference of many votes, you see. So on this, Maulana Fazl Rahman, chief of PDM, he was very upset and annoyed on his colleague political parties, his behavior, his disappointment was obviously and clearly reflecting during his press conference and during his all other activities. Then a rift started between PMLN and Pakistan People's Party. PMLN and JUIF, they wanted tendering of resignation from the assemblies by their members at the time of Long March. But Pakistan People's Party did not want to lose the government of Sindh, which they are ruling for the last, you see, almost this is their third tenure continuously. They had opinion that they should start and continue their struggle living the part of this parliamentary system instead of sitting outside of the parliament. And then Pakistan People's Party also did not forget that some members of PMLN, they intentionally got rejected their ballot papers during the election of Chairman Senate, and because of that, Mr. Yusuf Gilani, he could not get our office of the Chairman Senate. Then what happened? People's Party then started thinking individually in their own interests, in their own political, you see, canvas. They got the seat of leader of opposition in Senate, and Sir Yusuf Gilani was appointed as leader of the opposition in Senate of Pakistan. On this PMLN leadership led by Mariam Nawaz, they were not happy. They started issuing statements against the leadership of Pakistan People's Party. And of course, Pakistan People's Party leadership also reciprocated accordingly. There was wide divide between Pakistan People's Party and PMLN, which has dysfunction to PDM practically now. Now, Mullah Fadurman, he is sitting calm, and we have heard that he is not feeling well. And similarly, then we also started hearing that Mariam Nawaz is also not feeling well. Or rumors circulating in political circle of Pakistan that now Mariam Nawaz, she wants to go abroad. And she has also mentioned that maybe she will have some need of some surgery. She is undergoing some illness. Because of that, she may have need of surgery. And of course, the surgery will be required to go abroad. So, these are the rumors which are circulating, are strong rumors that she is planning. And also the personal physician of Mian Nawaz, he was there in the UK with Mian Nawaz. He has also come back to Pakistan. And now there is a strong likelihood that after maybe some days, there will be strong hue and cry from PMLN side that Mariam Nawaz is suffering from some disease, need of surgery and treatment abroad. And they will try to put pressure on sitting government of Imran Khan, and maybe they will also go to the judiciary of Pakistan to get permission for traveling abroad by Mariam Nawaz. So one thing is very, very much clear, that Mariam Nawaz could not demonstrate her mature political skills, and she brought to the political system of Pakistan to conflict stage, and which is not in the interest of Pakistan, which is not in the interest of people of Pakistan, which is not in the interest of the state of Pakistan. So she wanted to bring political parties and political, you see, groups confronting each other, and that may damage to the state of Pakistan. And because of that, Pakistan People's Party, a seasoned leader is there, Mr. Asif Ali Zardari, father of Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, who is guiding to his son. He played his cards very wisely, and of course in the interest of his party. and tried to save his government in province of Sindh, as well as he tried to reflecting flexibility at his part. But on the other side, Mariam Nawaz has proved that still she has to learn a lot, and she could not play the politics of Pakistan wisely and maturely. Now, next forces of PMLN, led by Mian Shehbaz Sharif, brother of Mian Nawaz Sharif, and his son, Mr. Hamza Shehbaz, they are coming to light now. And as per information roaming around in the political circles, that Mia Shehbaz Sharif has tried to convince to Mia Nawaz Sharif that he should not maintain that hard line with the system of Pakistan, and we should have a need of flexibility, and also should not create that type of confrontation with Pakistan People's Party sitting in you see PDM and an opposition. So they should not do any that type step like which we are hearing that PMLN has planned to oppose. She is Zusar Gilani as leader of opposition in the Senate. And this is also a news which you have read and heard that Mian Nawaz already has tried to convince to Mariam Nawaz that she should try to learn politics from Mr. Hamza Shehbaz. So no, apparently it seems that Mia Shehbaz Sharif, if he will be successful to convince Mia Nawaz Sharif and to sort out the differences which have been created with Pakistan People's Party and other stakeholders of PDM, then in the next some days we can see that Hamza Shehbaz will be more active, and there is also possibility that now Shehbaz Sharif will also try to get his bail from court, and if he will get that bail, he will take active part in the politics of Pakistan and will try to save his party from isolation. So these are the things. Situation is very interesting, and with the passage of time, I will see, you will see what will happen new, and I will also give my analysis on those new things. Keep me in your praise. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.